Welcome! Let's go over a quick guide on how to use the Phytech web app. Navigate between areas using the map or the sidebar. The stress level of each location is indicated based off of sensors on the plants. You can see the current or past stress levels. The colors represent 5 levels of water stress, ranging from yield-affecting stress to optimal and high water availability. The little drop sign on the map means it is currently being irrigated. When viewing the irrigation history, you'll be able to tell the timing and the amount applied. You will also find site-specific weather forecast. You can view the climate history in the plot card. Based of irrigation, climate, and plant stress history, Phytech learns the specific water needs of each plot. In the Planning tab, you'll find the optimal irrigation amount recommended for each plot, and even build together an irrigation plan. There's a video explaining about it here. Look for the question mark. There's a lot more. Scroll up on any field to get more information. View the climate, plant stress, and soil moisture data. You can also look back on previous year's data easily with our Seasons feature. If you're not sure what something is, hover over it for more information. That's it. You're good to go. And don't forget, you can use the Phytech mobile app wherever you are.